everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me here and today I'm going to unbox my new toy. And you know what is that? It's about my new ring light, and here is my ring light. Yeah, it's really here. Here is my ring light. The box is too big, you cannot see me anymore. Here is me. You know, actually because of in my house and in my room is a bit low light, that's why I cannot film a video with a higher quality. That's why I decided to buy this one. So before I unboxing this one, I hope that you can give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to support me and also see my more video. Okay, here we go. Let's unboxing together. Yeah, okay, here. Wait. Okay, right now my ring light have done set up and you will see how amazing it is. So I can turn it on. Yeah, and also I can adjust a bright what I want. You can see it more bright and low, more bright and low. Yeah, oh my god, not bad. Okay, let me test it right now. I don't know you can see me clearly or not because of right now I stand the same here. Okay. Okay, let me test it right now first. Okay, this video without using ring light, and right now I'm going to turn on the ring light and test it. Okay, I'm going to test it first. I plug it in. Plug it in. No, confused. Okay, right now I plug it in already, and then I turn on the light, the ring light. Wow. Not here. After I turn on the ring light, you can see it's made me more beautiful. Yeah. Oh my god. I remind myself. Okay, right now I just adjust a ring light a little bit, and you can see it's made me more beautiful. No, and especially it's made me and you can see many pimples. Okay, here is my new ring light, and yeah, okay. First, let me plug it up. Okay, I don't use ring light. Okay, right now I'm plug it in. Oh my god, not bad. You can see it. Oh my god, I'm really impressed with it. It's made me more beautiful, and my video is so bright and it's so amazing. Yes, I feel like in Brazil so much. You can see it. Okay, if I plug it out, yeah, you see? And when I turn it on, I plug it in. When I plug it in, oh my god, not bad. Okay, so my unboxing ring light is half done. So eventually, I hope that you enjoy my video and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel to support me to see my next video. Okay, bye bye. Yeah. Bye.